weight is on our left. So you're doing that diamond fall away to the right, which is 3/4, bringing you to this 3 o'clock wall. For side, cross, back, 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 forward at 7:30, cross, back, back, 4:30, straighten up to 3 with walk, walk, walk with a rock quarter cross. We're at 6, sway, sway with a time step side, with a side right knee in, out, behind step forward, left rock, recover with a lock step back, back rock, recover with a shuffle forward, half pivot right, step and line. So you're going to go down for 1, 2, 3, 4, lean down for 5, recover 6, 7 to the right for 8. We're going into the 130 corner for step, spiral, step, left, cross, rock, side, Cuban break, cross, rock, side, rock, cross, rock, side. Back rock as you pop, the right, recover, left shuffle. Going walkies for walk, walk with a right shuffle into 7:30, left rock, recover, sweep ronde, sailor step, cross rock, recover, turn, turn, side to the right to start the dance again with that diamond. Okay, remember you've got your restarts on 2 and 3. So I'm just going to dance them for you. You'll be facing the back. Okay, here we go. Weight is on our left. We are diamond, fall away. Here we go. Head to 9 with those 3 walks. Walk, walk, rock and cross. Sway, sway, triple in place. Side, knee, knee. Behind step forward, left rock with a lock step back, back rock with a shuffle, forward step, half step to then, no sexy pussycat doll moment there, go straight into your diamond, that's your restart. Wall 3, you go on a little bit further, so you do go into your pussycat doll moment with your sexy stroke, and your lean, recover, do your little spiral with your cross rock side, Cuban break for cross rock side rock, cross rock restart, diamond, fall away, samba box. Okay, that is sports car, and let's see what it's like with the music. I love this. Weights left, 6, 7, 8, side, cross back back, cross back forward, diamond forward, 3 walks, cross that side, side rock, cha-cha side, step and knee, right step forward, left rock, left step back, back rock, left step forward, step, half, step and sexy. Step, spiral step, cross rock side, Cuban break and Cuban break, hop, step, shuffle, sexy, ronde, sailor, start again, 2, 3 walks, sway, sway, cha-cha side, get ready for that restart, and side. Well done. All 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Cuban break, restart.